Welcome to the forum for BIT. Today we will be discussing about the application packages IT1303, and this is a course designed for semester 1 of the BIT program. We have here with us Mrs. Tushani Veerasinghe, course coordinator for IT1303. So we will be mainly discussing about the related issues for this particular course, such as why a new syllabus has been adopted and the course outline, the recommended reading material, the detailed syllabus focusing on different sections, and finally the examination details. So Tushani, can you give an introduction about this particular course?
Yes, first of all I must say that why we need a new syllabus like this. So earlier we had the PC applications module IT1302, in which we could cover only the office application packages, and we couldn't even go into deep areas in that syllabus because we couldn't find much time to cover. Now we have replaced the half of that previous PC application module with this new syllabus and could cover only the earlier we could cover only the office application packages. Now we have other application packages as well included in this. Okay. And it includes lots of new features that came with the new versions of office applications.
Okay, so it's actually you have enhanced the features of the earlier course module, and now new features have been added with new application packages. So
and again we have the concept learn by doing is also focused on this.
Okay,
we have lots of practical.
Yes, we'll be focusing more on those areas when we discuss each section. Now can you give us an introduction about the module as to what is covered and how many credits it's worth?
Yes, now this one is also one of the 4 courses under semester 1 of the BIT degree program. This yes. Worth 4 credits, and even a beginner can start this course very easily. It covers basics to advanced techniques in most useful computer applications. So once you complete this one, it will help you to carry out your office work or studies more efficiently and effectively.
That's right. So when you talk of efficiency and effectiveness, effectiveness is achieved by selecting the right package for the right application, and efficiency by using the features available in a particular package. That is, within the package, the students should be able to use all the relevant features for the relevant application. So what are the learning outcomes that are expected?
Yes, after completing this course successfully, they will be able to describe what a computer application package is and describe the importance of using application packages, identify different types of application packages running on different platforms, and since we are covering the office applications, they will be able to use MS Word as a word processing application, create spreadsheets in MS Excel, use MS Access to create databases, and design and develop presentations using MS PowerPoint. And now we have included 2 other application packages. So they will be able to design graphics and edit graphics using Adobe Photoshop and create web pages using Macromedia Dreamweaver.
That's right. So those are the 2 new features that have been added to this module. Okay, so now we will move on to discuss the outline of the syllabus. And as we can see, there are 60 hours. We have allocated 60 hours for this particular course, and there are 8 sections basically, starting with an introduction. So can you tell us a little bit more about the number of hours allocated?
Yes, first we have the introduction to application packages. Only 2 hours are allocated for that. They can get an introduction only. Then word processing applications, we have 16 hours allocated for that. 10 hours are allocated for spreadsheet application. The same number of hours are allocated for the database applications, and 7 hours are allocated for presentation applications. Then graphic design and image editing applications, they can cover in 7 hours again.
That's right.
Another 8 hours are included for assigned for web design applications.
That's right. So we have allocated the number of hours depending on the importance of each application. So what about the recommended text? Now you have said there is main reading as well as supplementary reading. So for main reading, what would you recommend?
Yes, basically all these application packages, they can learn through help files. So that will be the main reading. Then other than that, we have the student manuals at the learning management system. So that will also cover complete learner guide. so they can use that materials.
So they have to anyway use the learning management LMS.
Of course,
for
they should use
work
it
as well. They have to make it a habit to start using LMS for their coursework.
Yes.
So for supplementary reading, you have recommended 3 books. Can you give us a little bit more detail?
Yes, first one, for the MS Office, they can use this book, the Microsoft Office 2003 Complete Reference by Jennifer Ackerman Carroll, Guy Hartz Davis and Kurt Simmons. The next one, for the Dreamweaver, for the web design, they can use this book, the Dreamweaver MX 2004 Bible by Joseph W. Laurie. And for the Photoshop, for the graphic designing and image editing tool, they can use this book, the Sam's Teach Yourself Adobe Photoshop CS2 by Cara Rolls.
Okay. So is the low price edition available of these books? Or?
Yes, all these are Indian editions.
Okay, so that is accessible for all the students as well. Okay, so now we will move on to discussing the detailed syllabus, and the section 1 under the detailed syllabus is the introduction to computer application packages, and we have allocated 2 hours for that. So what are the learning outcomes expected?
Yes, after completing this section 1, they will be able to determine what computer application packages are and identify different types of application packages built for different platforms. Then they can practice common folder and file handling techniques.
That's right. So if we go into a little bit more detail as to what features are covered.
We will cover what computer application packages are and running environment for a computer application, then file structures and folder structures and files for managing computer data, and common files and folder handling techniques in MS Windows. There they have to practice their skills in MS Windows.